Classrooms are changing, and so is the world our students are growing up in. AI is everywhere, but most platforms and tools were never built for schools or for the teachers who bring learning to life. MagicSchool was created by educators for educators. Our teacher tools save time, make learning effective and fun, and help students use AI safely in the classroom. Teaching is complex. Having the right tools can make it easier. That's why we built the Teacher Dashboard. One place to find everything you need right when you need it. The Teacher Dashboard gives teachers a clear, organized hub for tools, student rooms, and resources. With collections, you can group your favorite tools by subject, grade level, or unit so everything stays within easy reach. MagicSchool has more than 80 teacher tools for lesson planning, rubrics, communication, and differentiation. Every tool is editable. Teachers can adjust a rubric or refine a lesson in minutes. Each tool adapts to your curriculum, your students, and your teaching style. And don't forget Raina, your AI teaching copilot. She's your go-to for planning, pep talks, and everything in between. Use Raina to brainstorm lessons, write parent emails, and explain challenging concepts. With Magic Student and Student Rooms, teachers stay in control. You decide which of our 50+ tools students can use and when. Student Insights give teachers visibility into student work with AI. You can see strengths, challenges, and next steps at a glance. These insights turn AI into a tool for continuous learning, helping teachers and students grow together. Each classroom interaction is supported by our AI Safety Loop, a structured process that keeps pace with evolving technology and classroom needs. The Safety Loop continuously checks inputs and outputs, protects data, and helps students stay safe. For enterprise plans, MagicSchool integrates with leading LMS and SSO providers, so your team can launch securely with no extra logins or setup. From Canvas and Schoology to ClassLink, Clever, Google, and Microsoft, we make bringing AI to the classrooms easy, secure, and scalable. For school and district leaders, MagicSchool Org admin features offer oversight, reporting, and customization. Leaders can view usage and impact across schools, align tools to curriculum and standards, and build dashboards that reflect their district's goals. Every feature is designed to help leaders maintain visibility, ensure safety, and strengthen instruction across classrooms. Every day, teachers make learning possible with patience, imagination, and heart. MagicSchool is built to give them back time and energy for what matters most, helping students learn and grow. Because teachers are magic.